Okay, so we have cut all the rust off, well, most of the rust off, and this is what it looks like at the moment. So I've taken all the rough bits off. That's just surface rust, I think. We'll find out in a minute. So I've gone all the way across. So the next thing I'm going to do is start by cleaning the front of the sill, front arch, moving way backwards. Now I've got either the wire wheel, which is really handy, or the more aggressive steel swirl wheel. The other problem with these is you haven't got a full face mask on, is that these wire fibres strands tend to fly off and they really freaking hurt. And this is more aggressive, so I might start with the wire brush and then move on to this. We'll see how we go. I might just try them both. That's what we're on with next. Okay guys, so we have now finished another arch. This is the front driver's side. So same as before, taken all the paint off. I've actually taken off all the seam sealer as well, and I have etch primed it all. So when I get around to doing it, I've got to light sand it again, prime it, seam seal it all again, and then put undercoat. I think I'm going to undercoat the whole arch to there, and then the rest of the underbody of the car. So yeah, apologies for not filming too many videos. I've been really busy with assignments for work and other bits and bobs. My Honda needs a ox belt. My Civic needs an ox belt doing as well, but the tensioner snapped, unfortunately. So I'm waiting for that to arrive. So I haven't been filming many videos. I'm still getting work done on the Honda, on the CRX. So I'll send some more videos out, which is going to be filling the gaps in the floor and also carrying on the underside. So that's where we're at. I'll see you all in the next video.